Today we are gonna do a review of LG 5-star inverter AC. So this is the newest model of LG, and the model number of this LG unit is MSQ18 SWZD. So there are two models which are similar in specifications. One is this MSQ18 SWZD and the other one is MSQ18 GWZD. The only difference being MSQ18 GWZD has a golden plate in the front. Mine is 1.5 tons 5-star AC, but there are other options in this like 1 ton, 1.5 ton and 2 tons with 3-star, 4-star and 5-star rating. It's a dual inverter compressor technology and has a 10-year compressor warranty. It's a 5-in-1 super convertible. That means you have 5 modes and you can operate it at 40% capacity, 60% capacity, 80% capacity, 100% capacity, 110% capacity also. It's a smart AC and it can be completely controlled with an app which is called as ThinkQ, which can be installed on your Android as well as iOS devices. It supports voice control and works with Amazon Alexa as well as Google Assistant. It has a HD filter and antivirus filter. This is really important in times like this. Just to elaborate, as per the claims, LG claims that it demobilizes up to 99.76% virus and up to 99.99% bacteria. Additionally, it also has an anti-allergic filter. As standard, it is 100% copper and it has a ocean black protection technology which protects it from rusting. It is a 5-star AC and the ISEER value is 4.73. The MRP of this AC is 56,990 as per the LG site, but if you go to a local retailer or if you purchase it online, you can get it for much lesser. I have got it for 43,500, and when I purchased it 1 month before, there was an offer going on with HDFC credit cards. So I've got a cashback of 5,000 rupees on HDFC credit cards. So the effective price for me was 38,500. Now I'll be showing you how to use this AC in a smart way by downloading the LG ThinkQ app and controlling all the features from your smartphone as well as connecting it to Alexa, the digital assistant.
Let's open App Store. Here you need to search for LG ThinkQ app. So as you can see, this is the app. Just download it. Open it. So this is the starting interface. Next. You can just browse through. Next. You need to sign in into the app. So I am gonna use my Amazon account to sign in into the app. So this is my Amazon account. I will just put in the details. This is the basic interface. So click on plus icon. Click on air conditioner. Split air conditioner. On the remote, press and hold both these buttons as shown in the video for around 10 seconds. After hearing this beep, go to the settings menu and go to Wi-Fi in your cell phone. See a Wi-Fi network starting with LG, click on it and the password is last 4 characters of the Wi-Fi network twice. As you can see, it is connected now and it is connecting to the product. So here you need to put in your Wi-Fi password. So the product will get connected to the Wi-Fi network at your home. As you can see, it is connected to the Wi-Fi network at your home and it is completing the process. It will take about a couple of seconds to complete the process. After completing the process, here you can name the AC. So I have set the AC in my hall, so I'll name it hall AC. You can name it as per your will. And this is how it is shown in the app. So if you click on it, you can see the temperature of the AC. So you can increase and decrease the temperature from here. So you can increase and decrease the fan speed also from here. You can change the swing. Also, this is an option inside the settings. You can set up a schedule. Some of the other options include jet cooling. So this is a very high efficiency cooling. You can also check the energy consumption. Now let's connect it to Alexa. Search for Alexa on your phone. Go into skills and games. Search for LG ThinQ. Select LG ThinQ Basic and enable the skill. So as you can see, you need to sign in. So please sign in with the same ID which you used to sign in your LG app. As you can see, it is connecting. So you will get this pop-up that it has been successfully linked to your account. You can choose to discover the devices. It may take some time. And as you can see, the LG is connected.
Now let's test how this works with the digital assistant. Alexa, switch on AC.
Okay.
So as you can see, the AC is turned on right now. Alexa, reduce the temperature to 18.
Hall AC is set to 18.
Alexa, increase the temperature to 24.
Hall AC is set to 24.
Alexa, switch off AC.
Okay.
As you can see, it works flawlessly.